Hi, I'm Harris Michael, CIO here at Stasmayer Incorporated. Today, I just want to talk to you a little bit about cloud file sharing and some of the best practices out there. As you can see, there's quite a few different solutions out there, and your organization may be using one of them. Um, what we really want to make sure that folks are doing are not hitting the easy button of just sharing out with the default settings. We've seen that the default settings usually are set to enable anyone with that link to access that information. We also noticed that there's no expiration date or password. So we really want to make sure people are being a little bit cognizant of what settings are enabled when they're going to share information out to third parties. As you can see here, we have an example here. This is actually from Box of how to properly secure a shared link. So one of the things you can do is make sure you're actually only inviting the people that you need to that link rather than with anybody, whether it's externally or internally. And you can also set a password and expiration date, which we highly recommend for both. We would also recommend that you go back and look at some of the existing links that you've shared. Um, you'll be surprised how many links people share over a course of a year. And are those links still valid? Do they still need to be shared out with those third parties, or would it actually be a better idea to go ahead and disable those links? Just because those links will stay out there until they are canceled. So you want to make sure that you're properly securing those links and making sure that you're keeping that information that you're sharing as secure as possible. I hope this helps. If you do have any questions, please reach out to us. There are ways we can set the defaults to require password and expiration, depending on the solution you use. And that way, kind of take one less human element of having to remember to make these changes. Thanks again, and I hope you have a great one.